Hello everyone, welcome to channel KH Learning Again. Today I will show you how to set up the SQL database server on my PC. Before we go to the content or the topic, click like and subscribe the channel KH Learning. Okay, let's go to the source of installation file. Yes. Here is my source, SQL Server 2014. Okay, let me start this file. Here is my directory or my folder. Okay, please wait until the extract file finish. Okay, the extract file has finished. Let me set up the SQL Server. Okay, set up. Please click on the setup.ee and then double click. Please wait a minute. It will show the title of the server. Here is the step for installation the SQL Server. Okay, then click on installation. If you have the another SQL database, you can choose new standalone installation or add feature for the existing installation. But if you install new SQL, you can choose this one, the first, and second one is for cluster. It means high availability. This one, if you want to upgrade your SQL database server by 2005, by 2008, 2008 R2 or 2012, you can select each option for the upgrading. Okay, let's go on. I will select the first option. I mean that I just select the visual install SQL Server 2014 with the non-cluster environment. This means that single instance, or we can say standalone. Okay, please wait.